All right, let's look at, we want to find an equation of a line, and let's say we are given a slope of 7/8 and a particular point. When you are given a slope and a point, we use what's called the point slope formula. All right, so this point slope formula says y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is the point slope formula. Hence, you have a point and you have a slope, where this is your point, x1, y1, and then of course this is your slope. For some reason, students want to do something with these, and they're just variables. You just leave those alone, leave them alone. And so now y1 would be -4. Don't forget that negative and negative. Your slope would be 7/8. And then our x1 would be 2. And now from here, you just simply solve this for y. So a negative and a negative is a positive. I am going to distribute. So 7/8 times x is 7/8x. And then notice you could write 2 as 2 over 1. So that would become 7 times 2, 14. 8 times 1, 8. One more step still to go. So from here now, what we want to do is we want to move the 4 to the other side. Now, probably what I would do, it doesn't really matter this order. I noticed that 7/8 over x, that I could actually divide and reduce this fraction. Again, probably not a big deal. You could do it at the end, but I just decided to do it now. All right, so I am going to subtract 4 from both sides. So we go up over here, and that of course cancels. So I have y equals 7/8x minus 7/4 minus 4. Do you remember fractions? That the only way you can add or subtract is you have to get a common denominator. So I can already see my denominator is going to be 4. So the only way to get 4, so basically what I did is I multiplied the top and the bottom by 4. And now finally I get y equals 7/8x minus 23 over 4. Now what I would do, what would Cindy do, right, is I would graph this. And you're going to see why. And do you remember I mentioned Desmos? Wonderful, wonderful, free, free, free. If you don't remember, Desmos.com. App even on your phones. I can add what I found, which was 7/8, be sure the x is not in the denominator, minus 23 over 4. And the reason why I graphed this, remember they gave me a point, which was 2, -4. That point better be on that line, right? Because if that point's not on that line, then we got a problem. Other things I could check, remember how the slope works? 7, go up 7 values. So let me see if I can get this in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go over 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm at 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and looky, 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 I'm right there on the line. So I can see, that's why I like to graph these. I can see that, yeah, it looks pretty good with my results that I came up with because it does match the actual graph.